Welcome. In front of me I have TCL ACTV 500 True Wireless Sound earbuds, and I'll show you how you can connect them to your Apple Watch. So at the first we have to take them off from the charging case, and as you can see right now they are turned on because this indicator is activated. When you take them off from the charging case, as you can see they are already in the pairing mode. You can spot it by looking on that simple indicator. When you have the problem and both are not activated, you have to click and hold that button for the 5 seconds. Take a look on this one. You can release, and after that they will be turned on to the pairing mode. And right now to your Apple Watch you have to simply go for Bluetooth settings, just like that. Next you have to scroll down to the Bluetooth settings. And as you can see here we got our TCL ACTV 500 True Wireless Sounds. Let's tap on them once. And as you can see, after a few moments we are successfully connected. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.